Hello everyone, welcome with a new brand new video, and in this video we will discuss a three-way light switch, or you can say a stairs switch. That's how it's work. If you see here we have a voltage source, you can say it's working on 220 volt 60 hertz, and here we have a 150 ohm frequency resistors, sorry, that is already connected with the LED or the bulbs, you can say. Okay, it's I am counting here, it is as a load. Okay, now now a person's moving to the stairs. Here he will turn on the switch and then will go up. And so when he will reach on the roof, he will power off these buttons and works. If he have to do any work on the roof, he will do it. And the time when he will want to go down, he will press the switch and the LED or bulb will again switch on. And when he will comes down the stairs, he will again press these buttons and this circuit will be open and it's not work. This is the simple principles or mechanisms behind the stairs switch or a three-way switch. So you can easily understand this using these simulations, and think that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and share if you learn something from me. Thank you so much.